Today, I have an incredible opportunity to share with you. If you've ever dreamed of living and working in Europe, experiencing a new culture, and earning while doing seasonal work, this video is for you. We're diving deep into the Netherlands seasonal work visa process for 2025, your ticket to working in one of Europe's most beautiful and organized countries. In this video, we'll discuss what the Netherlands seasonal work visa is all about, the eligibility requirements and step-by-step application process, important documents you need to prepare, pro tips to make your application successful, and the application link you'll need to get started. So stay tuned, because I'm here to guide you every step of the way. Make sure to like this video, subscribe to Dreams Abroad Media, and share this opportunity with others who might benefit. Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Dreams Abroad Media, the channel where we help you turn your dreams of working and studying abroad into reality. Today, I have an incredible opportunity to share with you. If you've ever dreamed of living and working in Europe, experiencing a new culture, and earning while doing seasonal work, this video is for you. We're diving deep into the Netherlands seasonal work visa process for 2025. Your ticket to working in one of Europe's most beautiful and organized countries. In this video, we'll discuss what the Netherlands seasonal work visa is all about, the eligibility requirements and step-by-step application process, important documents you need to prepare, pro tips to make your application successful, and the application link you'll need to get started. So stay tuned, because I'm here to guide you every step of the way. Make sure to like this video, subscribe to Dreams Abroad Media, and share this opportunity with others who might benefit. Let's get started. What is the Netherlands seasonal work visa? The Netherlands seasonal work visa is a short-term visa that allows you to work in the Netherlands legally for up to 6 months. This visa is primarily for those interested in working in fields like 1. Agriculture, harvesting fruits, vegetables, or flowers. 2. Horticulture, working in greenhouses or flower nurseries. 3. Tourism and hospitality, seasonal roles in restaurants, hotels, or resorts. This visa is perfect if you're looking to earn money while exploring the Netherlands, gaining valuable work experience, and living in one of Europe's most worker-friendly countries. The Netherlands seasonal work visa ensures that you receive fair wages and legal protection throughout your employment period, so you can focus on building your skills and enjoying the experience. Benefits of the seasonal work visa. Here are some key reasons why the Netherlands seasonal work visa could be the perfect opportunity for you. 1. Legal employment. You can work legally for a Dutch employer during your stay. 2. Competitive wages. The Netherlands has high wage standards, and seasonal jobs often offer good pay. 3. Short-term commitment. This visa is valid for up to 6 months, so it's ideal for individuals who want a short-term work experience abroad. 4. Cultural exposure. You'll get to immerse yourself in Dutch culture, try amazing food, and meet people from all over the world. 5. Professional growth. This experience can be a great addition to your CV, especially if you're interested in working abroad in the future. Eligibility requirements. Are you eligible to apply? Here's a checklist to find out. 1. Age. You must be at least 18 years old. 2. Job offer. A valid job offer or employment contract from a Dutch employer is required. 3. Health insurance. You must have health insurance valid for the duration of your stay. 4. Non-EU/EEA national. This visa is specifically for non-European Union or European Economic Area citizens. 5. Proof of return. You must show evidence that you'll return to your home country after your visa expires. Meeting these requirements is the first step toward making your dream of working in the Netherlands a reality. Documents needed. Here's what you need to prepare before applying. 1. Valid passport. Your passport should have at least 6 months of validity. 2. Job offer letter. This is the most important document. Your employer in the Netherlands must provide an official letter detailing your job, salary, and work conditions. 3. Health insurance proof. Ensure you have valid health insurance for your stay. 4. Accommodation details. Your employer may provide accommodation, or you need to show proof of where you'll stay. 5. Completed application form. Download the Seasonal Work Visa application form from the Dutch Immigration and Naturalization Service (IND) website. 6. Proof of funds. Evidence that you can support yourself financially during your stay. Step-by-step application process. Here's how you can apply for the Netherlands Seasonal Work Visa. 1. Find a job. Look for seasonal job opportunities in the Netherlands through Yours Job Portal, recruitment websites specializing in seasonal work. 2. Employer applies for work permit. Your employer will submit an application for a work permit on your behalf. 3. Download and complete the visa application form. Get the application form from the Netherlands IND website. 4. Prepare supporting documents. Gather all the required documents listed earlier. 5. Submit your application. Visit the Dutch embassy or consulate in your home country to submit your application and biometric data. 6. Attend an interview. Be ready to explain why you're applying for this visa and how you'll return to your home country after the job ends. 7. Visa processing. The processing time is usually between 2 to 4 weeks. 8. Receive your visa. Once approved, you'll receive your visa and you can start planning your trip. Pro tips for a successful application. Here are some tips to ensure your application stands out. 1. Start early. Applications for seasonal jobs and visas fill up quickly. 2. Research your employer. Make sure your employer is registered and authorized to hire foreign workers. 3. Double-check your documents. Any errors can delay the process, so be thorough. 4. Be honest. Always provide truthful and accurate information in your application. Thank you so much for watching today's video on the Netherlands Seasonal Work Visa Process 2025. I hope this step-by-step guide has given you the confidence and information you need to apply for this life-changing opportunity. Remember, every big journey starts with a small step. Taking this opportunity could open doors to a brighter future, valuable experiences, and unforgettable memories. If you found this video helpful, please like the video to show your support. Subscribe to Dreams Abroad Media for more updates on work and study abroad opportunities. Share this video with your friends and family who might also be interested. Don't forget to check the description below for the application link and more resources to help you get started. Until next time, keep dreaming big and taking bold steps toward your future. I'm rooting for your success, and I'll see you in the next video.